My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
I'm tired.
Ew.
I mean, no. Hi guys! This is current Ohana reporting to you live about subscribers. Didn't get them. But if I have these new where are they at? Okay, well. Subscribers, the new recent ones, I don't have your names. I'm so sorry. 3 more subscribers since the last time. Specifically the 3 more, I cannot find them. I cannot do nothing. We had 288, y'all!
Okay.
Let's get to 300 by the time the month ends. I'm excited for that. Hello! I'm okay. Are you okay? I'm gonna show you how I revive my twist. Hi, it's Current Ohana again. As you can see, So in this video, I'll show you how to revive your twists and how I trim with twisted. Definitely not gonna wet my blocks.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If I feel the need to, I will put this aloe vera juice on my hands. Can y'all see how crazy they are though? Let me get a close up.
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Can y'all see how crazy they are? Like they are really, like hair is coming out. And I think that's because it's blow dry. So they still feel moisturized from the last time, but I am gonna put more shea butter on them to double down on the moisture. The reason why I am, what's it called? The reason why I am separating my twists is because I want to make sure that the shea butter gets all of my strands and stuff, so that's why I'm not rigging it through. I do have another video moisturizing my hair without taking my twist out, and it is a quicker route, but again, because my hair is coming out, we need a retwist. It needs to be done. I'm gonna eat some noodles after this. Them things gonna be
But
What is that? What is that?
It just has like hair just coming all out, all crazy like. Ain't nobody told you to do that. No cap, no bottle, no water, no plastic, no pollution, no plastic. Did I already say that?
oh, don't.
That's what good she sounds like.
Get your mind out of the gutter. I will turn around so you guys can see it. I do need my ends trimmed. The thing is when though? That is the question. Because I'm sleepy. It is 1:15 in the morning. I always do these videos really late and I'm always very sleepy. Can you tell? I get delusional. Anyways, it might not be tonight.
You will look like I care, no. Several days later.
Okay, close. We're about to get close. So basically, I look at it, and if I see see-throughs like that, then I'll just cut it off. And I cut. And this is the part that I cut off. Especially with ends like this. Much better. I need a thumbnail. There we go. Alright you guys, this is the end of the video. I forgot to film my outro as well. Isn't that delightful? Anyways, so this is how much hair I trimmed off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. With that being said, if you want to watch more of me doing these, click on this thing right here. It will say some kind of video. Click on that and then keep watching them. You know you wanna binge watch, you know you wanna. You know you wanna. You know you. Okay, bye.